Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can create our own images. So we will not waste our time. We will start here. First of all, we will have to click on this plus button and this small pop-up will come, and we will have to click on this upload a file and we have to choose our pic. This time I will choose this one and I will click open. After clicking on it, I will just hit enter and our pic will be here. Here is our pic. What we will do is that we will click on it, then we will click right click. We will see that copy image address. Copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we will click on it. Now we will come here, type slash, we will click imagine prompt. After coming here, we will paste our link. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and here. Now we will write our prompt. Now here is our prompt. You can read cyberpunk, freelancer, working on computer, woman with color and graphics pouring out of the screen. So we will click on it and we will see that what MidJourney will give us result. Now here is our 4 variations. Pick, open it in new tab so you can see the full quality of it. This is U1, U2, U3 and U4. If you will click on V1, so what will happen is that it will create 4 variations of this pic. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will click on U1, it will only generate up version, upscale, you can say upscale of this pic. So if you will click V1, it will give you 4 more variations of this same pic. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. We will use these numbers. Let's see that where is U1 and V1. Here is U1, U2, U3, U4. U1 mean this, U2, U3, U4. Same V1, V2, V3, V4. So if you don't like these pics, you can re-roll it. When you will re-roll it, this will give you 4 more variations. So what will happen is that we will click again and open it in new tab so we can see full quality. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's all up to you what you want. Pick one. If you want versions, then you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. And if you want any single pic, upscale. So you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. Now let's see that. Here is our U1, U2, U3 and U4. Same V1, V2, V3 and V4. So we will click on U4. We want this pic up version. Upscale you can say. Here is our this pic. Let's open it in a new tab so we can see our final result. Here is our final result and you can see that all the result here in full quality. So I wish this video will help you to create your own pics and I wish you will do better than me. If you have any type of queries, you can comment and I will try my best to reply you.